Hi all, welcome to Vani Blogs and I'm Vani. So my last video was highly appreciated. I think बहुत लोगों को जानना था वैदिक skit के बारे में and I'm very happy that all you people liked it. Now today we have a very important video again which we discussed in the last video. That is, we'll talk about the first experience after following the complete regime of Vedic's hair kit. So as you all know, there are three steps. First is the serum, second is oil, and then the third is hair wash. So I went ahead and did all these three steps, and I want to tell you my experience with it. Okay. Now I have right now just washed my hairs and just came back, and I'm just sitting here to tell you how I felt while applying the products, serum and oil, and then while washing the hair today. So there are two kinds of things we need to talk about. Firstly, that when you apply the products and you actually wash the hair, what was the experience then? And then the second thing is when my hairs dry up, what's the experience then? So talking about serum, it's a very watery liquid kind of serum. It's not a serum. It's basically a water-like substance which you can apply in the scalp. It's like a homeopathic medicine like. The oil is a very good product, I think, because oil has a very good density. It's super absorbent also, because which does not happen generally. If you apply a thick oil, it doesn't absorb so easily. But in this case, as soon as I applied the oil, I didn't mix any other oil with it. I just applied the oil, which is highly dense. It just absorbed, I think, in 10 minutes or 15, and my hairs were oily, but they were not very sticky oily. So I really liked the serum and the oil, both of them. I can continue to use them, I think, for 6 months or so, because I don't find any problem with that applying it. Coming to the washing part of it, so since it's an organic product, so I think it does not has the capacity of really removing all the oil from your hair at once. You will probably have to wash your hair twice, or if you're mixing your shampoo with water, you will have to use at least 5 to 6 pumps of shampoo to remove the hair oil from your head, also depending upon the length of your hair. So it's not a very oil removing kind of shampoo. It's a very light shampoo basically. When you wash your hairs, you would not generally see the hair fall. It happens when we change the product. We especially move from the chemical shampoo to an organic shampoo. It does happen that the hair fall happens, but in this case hair fall didn't happen as such. So I was very happy with the way it kind of washed the hair, and then there was no practically hair fall, and I was able to manage it up very easily. Now after washing the hair, when you generally wash your hair with a good shampoo, you feel little softness, little silkiness in the wet hairs itself, and when they further dry up, then they become very silky and smoothie. With this one, that was not the case. So my hairs didn't feel any silky or smooth. It was just the normal texture that it was. So I think probably it's not a very softening shampoo. It's just a cleansing shampoo. So if you're looking for a cleansing shampoo, I think you should go for it. But if you want something which after washing gives your hair a silkiness, a smoothness, then I don't think that's the right product for it. And then I came out, and I'm just waiting for my hairs to dry. But since they're drying up, I know that they're not going to be any smooth or silky as such, like extra than what they are. So probably I'm not that happy with shampoo. So going forward, if I'll ever have to buy, I don't think I'll go for shampoo. I can go for serum, I can go for oil, but not shampoo for sure. That's my personal observation from the first wash that I did. But I'll continue to use this kit for this month, just because of one reason, and the reason is that it's always said that when you move from a chemical shampoo to an organic shampoo, your hairs are your hairs are already working well with these sulfates and parabens and all those kind of chemicals. Suddenly when all of that is snatched away from it, it does not is not able to actually go well with an organic shampoo. So it takes its own time to really adjust to it. And also I think it's said that some kind of oils releases, or some kind of things happen in your scalp which makes your hair fall. So having all those things in mind, I might just go ahead with few more washes, and I'll definitely do a 1 month review. So all of you who are thinking of buying Vedics at this point of time, I'll suggest just wait for a month. Let me just do this 1 month sincere, sincere application of the kit, and after 1 month I'll be able to tell you that what exactly the shampoo and the serum and the oil does for you individually. So I'll suggest not go for it right now, just wait for a month and then probably you can go for it. That's my personal suggestion. But in case you still want to go ahead and try, then I think oil and serum are good. For shampoo you can decide for yourself. Okay, so that's all. I think that's all which was supposed to be covered in this video. I'll end the video over here, but before I end, all of you who are watching me, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also the comments are very important to me, because that is something which will tell me how I am going on this track. Is it the videos are good, are they not good, you're liking something, not liking something, there are certain questions which you have, any kind of issues you have while watching the video, and all those stuffs. So comments are very important, so don't forget to do that. We'll see in the next video, and till then just take care of yourself and bye.